half locust, Ardha Salabasana in Sanskrit. Bring your chin back to the middle of the mat and turn your palms over so they're down on your sticky mat. If you can, slide your arms underneath your body so your palms are down, your pinky fingers are next to each other. If you can't quite do that, keep your arms out by your side, or if you have any issues with your elbows, you can make a fist if spreading your fingers is electrically painful. This is an uncomfortable pose, so you want to bring your hands as close as you can to your midline. Broaden your collarbones, spread your fingers wide, relax your left leg completely, lock your right, and lift your right leg up. Keep your right hip bone. If it's on the forearm, keep it on the forearm. If it's on the mat, keep it on the mat. Lift through your big toe from your tailbone. Try not to let your hip tip up. Keep your level sacrum just like you do in balancing stick. Release, let that come all the way down. Lock your left leg, relax your right. Squeeze your left glute, push your left hip down and lift your leg. This strengthens your low back and connects all the tissues that sometimes gets discombobulated or disconnected from sitting all day. So the back of the leg and the low back and your upper back become connected again. Relax that left hip. Tuck your chin in now and put your forehead on the mat so you're looking straight down. You have a long neck behind you. Push down into the fingers. Squeeze your legs together, your toe bones, your calves, your inner thighs, and then lift both legs up. Push the floor down and push the floor back as you lift your legs and your pelvis and maybe your belly button. Keep pushing down. Weight comes into your face and into your arms. And change. Slowly lower with control. And take your arms out. Turn your right cheek to the mat. And relax. Let your glutes relax. Let your heels fall open.